today's video, we'll install BONOSS lightweight class wheel spacers for the BMW E60. The hollow design makes manual reduce the weight of the spacers, so we call them lightweight class wheel spacers. If you choose the wheel spacers, the original wheel bolt is not long enough, so you might need these extended wheel bolts. BONOSS extended wheel bolts achieve the ISO standard grade 12.9, which have higher strength than the stock one. BONOSS forged grade 12.9 wheel bolt is made by forging process, which is formed by continuous strong pressure. That brings excellent mechanical and physical properties. The 12-pintle shape design on the head of the wheel bolts can only be manufactured by a large tonnage machine for forging at one time, which further reflects BONOSS super forging process. That's all for today's video. If you want to get us BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.